Welcome, dear learners. Welcome again. In this week, with the second module on literature management tools. In an earlier module, we covered the various literature databases. After completing this module, you will be able to understand what are the literature management tools and how to effectively use them for managing your literature. As far as the lesson plan is concerned, we will first deal with what are management tools, why the management tools are required, and then we will be covering two major literature management tools with practical example. Dear learners, now let us discuss what are the literature management tools. These tools are a set of means which provide qualitative and quantitative organization and management of literature. Why these are needed? We have discussed a lot of literature review databases, these subscription-based and free databases. A huge plethora of databases is there. What happens when we deal with the huge literature? The very first factor, a huge literature needs organization and management of the all literature aspects. The tools, organize them, manage them. We use these tools to make it easy for managing the literature as compared to the manual management. What happened in few decades ago? We used to cite the literature manually. You can say, even if you are doing in the computer, what we were doing, that we are putting the citations and again manually managing them. And it becomes very typical task. It may be okay for the research papers when the references cited are just 10, 20 or maybe 30. But when you move to the review paper, the references in quantitative number, you can say, it moved to 200, 300 references you have to manage. And what to speak of thesis? A huge number of citations you have to deal with. Which reference will go where? And the things become very typical when you need correction in your thesis. Your guide said, your supervisor said, okay, remove this paragraph along with all the references. They are not relevant. Then the entire things, you become puzzled. Or in another case, you have communicated a paper to a journal which gets rejected somehow. Now you need to plan it for another journal which recommends different set of writing style, different set of citation style. If you are unaware of these tools, as in case of earlier days, you will have to do it manually, again doing the things. It becomes a very typical task and time consuming task. So the literature management tools saves our time. Literature management tools make it easy for you to plan your manuscript after rejection to another new journal. Literature management tools provide error-free bibliographic styles with respect to the accuracy, style, and citation location. These are very important aspects. As you come to know, if you reshuffle a thing, if you are not aware of these tools, you will be lost there in the literature. It is just like sinking yourself in this ocean. especially when the body of your article is huge, body of your thesis is huge. So ultimately, if I summarize that literature management tools are certain means which provide quantitative and qualitative management of your references and citations in your text. They save your time, efforts, and avoid the rejections. In the next section, we will be explaining how the literature management is done by the tools, two major tools, first Mendeley and second EndNote. If you have the other sources, you can try these things from those management tools also. So just enjoy the practical demonstration of using Mendeley and EndNote as literature management tools.